Hi, today I'm for CAT S75 and I'll show you how to change icons shape with X icon changer app on this device. So first open the Play Store application because we should get the the X icon changer app from the Play Store. That's why in the search pool enter the X icon changer. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap the open button. And here you'll see all of the available applications, which icons you could change. For example, let's change the contacts one. Here we could rename this application just by tap to this edit icon. Also, we got here the library with different folders of the icons. You could use them or to take a picture in camera app or just to use photo from your device gallery previously taken on the device camera or just download it from the internet. So let's select one from the available photo icons. Then just tap to OK on the right upper corner.
Spektakularne zwycięstwo! Zostaliśmy zaatakowani!
So now we should skip these videos. That's why tap on this X icon on the right upper corner. Oh, so maybe let's wait a couple of seconds. So one more time, let's click to this X icon and now just tap on the right down corner to add the home screen button, and we could go to the desktop now or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's check our new contacts icon. So this is the new one, and here we got the default, the regular contacts icon, so we could see here the difference. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.